dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject mathematics in standard 6th. In this video, we are going to start chapter number 10, equations. We will solve questions from practice set 26. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also. And if already subscribed, thank you very much. So we are starting part 2 in this video. Part 2 means this is the portion of second semester or second term. Till part 1, till this last lesson of SCF and LCM, we are having the portion of first semester. Now this is second semester or second term portion. Name of the chapter is equations. So let us first see what do we mean by equations, and then we will solve practice set 26. So let us discuss. One example is given here. Teacher asks to the students, find two numbers and mathematical operation to get the answer 15. What did teacher ask to the student? That they have to find any two number, they have to do mathematical operation on them, and the answer should be 15. Okay, so mathematical operations, we all know 4 basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So any two number and any one mathematical operation they have to perform on those two numbers, and the answer should be 15. So Sharvari said 5 multiplied by 3 gives 15. So she has taken two numbers 5 and 3, and she had done the operation multiplication. Two numbers are 5 and 3, operation is multiplication, and answer is 15. And one more operations she had done, and two numbers are 45 and 3, but this time she has done division. 45 divided by 3 is also 15. So both the answers are 15. That means what? 5 multiplied by 3 is also 15, and 45 divided by 3 is also 15. Then Shubhankar said 17 minus 2 gives 15. So he has taken two different numbers, 17 and 2. And he had performed the operation of minus or subtraction. Answer is 15. Then he had given one more operation, 5 added to 10 also gives 15. So he took two number 5 and 10. He added them. Answer is 15. So what we can see, though the numbers are different, though their operations are different, here we have 5 and 3. Here we have 45 and 3. Here we have 17 and 2. Here we have 5 and 10. Here there is multiplication. Here there is division. Here there is subtraction. Here there is addition. So the numbers are different. Operations between them are different. But still their answers are same. So from these operations we can form the equation. See what teacher is saying after that. After Sharvari's example, after Shubhankar's example, teacher said that very good. We see that operations 5 into 3 and 17 minus 2 both give the same result, that means same answer. We write this as 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2. How to write this? 5 multiplied by 3 and 17 minus 2, both the answer are 15. So from this what we can write? 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2. This 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2, because both these answers are same, and that's why 5 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 17 minus 2. This can be written like this. Okay, so in mathematics the sign of equality shows the number on both the sides. Both its sides are equal. Okay, both sides of this equal to sign. That means this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side of equal to sign, and both sides the answer is same. Both sides of equal to sign answer is same. So they may be result of different operation on left and right hand side, but they are having same result. Such expressions of equality are called equation. Are you understanding? So on both the sides of equal to sign we can see multiplication and subtraction. These two operations are there, but though their result is same, their answer is same, we can put equal to sign because their result is same, they are equal, and this is known as equation. In equation, in between there is equal to sign, there is left hand side of equal to sign. Left hand side means our left hand side is the left hand side of equation, our right hand side is the right hand side of the equation. So there is left hand side and right hand side of the equation, and both the sides answer is same, that is known as equality or equation. Okay, that is known as equation. So after that, what is there? Sharvari asked, can we also write the equation 17 minus 2 is equal to 5 into 3? She is asking. So what teacher said? Yes, the equation is right too, because 17 minus 2 is also 15 and 5 into 3 is also 15. So if you write new equation simply by exchanging two sides of an equation, then new equation is also correct, and that is balanced. So what do you mean by balanced equation? When left hand side is equal to right hand side, then it is known as balanced equation. See, there is a balance is shown here. If there are equal weights in both pans of weighing scale, this is known as weighing scale. So on both sides weights are same. If the weights are same, then the scale is balanced, then this weighing scale is balanced. Such a balanced scale is like an equation. That means left hand side and right hand side, both sides weight are same, then we can see that this scale is balanced. We can see here this sign is exactly at the center. So that's why this is balanced. Same thing we can say about the equation. When both the sides values are same, when both the sides the answers are same, then the equation is balanced. Okay. So from this concept we are going to solve questions from practice set 26. Question is, different mathematical operations are given in two rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation and make the equation. Okay, we have given many operations. Division is there, multiplication is there, addition, division, subtraction, all four operations of mathematics, basic operations of mathematics are given, and we have to find out which number we get from this mathematical operation, and then we have to find the equation from these expressions. So let us solve. I have written these expressions as it is. Now we will solve it and we will find out the answers first. Okay, so first operation is 16 divided by 2. You all know 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16, correct? So answer is 8. Always quotient is the answer. So 16 divided by 2, answer is 8. Then 5 multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. We all know 5 2s are 10. Then 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. We all know that. Again 17 is divided by 2. So division, if you want, you can do on your rough page. So 72 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 remaining. This 2 we have to brought down. So 3 4s are 12. So this 24 is quotient, and quotient is always the answer of division, we all know. So in this way we are getting 24 in the quotient. So let us write here, the answer is 72 divided by 3 is 24. Then next 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 into 3 is 24. 19 minus 10 is again 9. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 37 minus 27 is equal to 10. And last one is 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So in this way, first we have got all the answer. We have written all the answers. Okay. What is the question? Find out the numbers you get in each operation. We have got the numbers. In first operation we have got 8. Second operation we have got 10, then 13, then 24, then 9, 24, 9, 8, 10 and 13. In this way we have got the operations. We have got the numbers from the operations. Now what we have to see, what we have to make the equations. Okay, so let us make the equations. Let us write the equations from this. Therefore the equations are, I write here, therefore the equations are. How to make equations from these answers? We will see the answers of which two operations are same, then those two operations are equal. See, 16 divided by 2 is also 8 and 10 minus 2 is also 8. Answers of both the operations are same, and that's why these operations are equal. So first equation we get 16 divided by 2 is equal to 10 minus 2, because see here we have got this equation. I have told you there are two sides in the equation, left hand side and right hand side. Our left hand side is the left hand side of equation, our right hand side is the right hand side of the equation. So both the sides I have written to operation, and both the operations have same answer, and that's why we can write equal to sign in between, and when we write equal to sign in between two operations, that is known as equation. Okay, now let us see what can be the second equation. I write here second equation. Now 5 2s are also 10 and 37 minus 27 is also 10. So how to write this? 5 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 37 minus 27. This is our second equation. Now let us write the third equation. 9 plus 4 is also 13 and 6 plus 7 is also 13. So we can write 9 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 7. Then fourth equation we can write 72 divided by 3 is also 24 and 8 multiplied by 3 is also 24. So we can write it as 72 divided by 3 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3. Correct? Now see, 4 plus 5 is also 9 and 19 minus 10 is also 9. So we can write these two operations in equation format. So fifth equation can be written as 4 plus 5 is equal to 19 minus 10, because 4 plus 5 is also 9 and 19 minus 10 is also 9. Now what is remaining? Have we written all the equations? See, 8 8, then 9 9, then 10 10, 13 13. So in this way we have written all these equations from this operation. I think one more equation is remaining or not. Yes. Here we have written 6 plus 7, 9 plus 4. So in this way you have to find out the answers and write the equations. So we have completed the question from practice set 26. Okay. So solve this question in your notebook.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.